3 Amber Valley. So we have rock on the smaller side of the property, but we have grass over here. So that's something that the tenant would generally have to take care of. The paint is looking pretty good on the garage door. Okay, so I'm going to suggest going ahead and replacing these, the door handle and the deadbolt, because first of all, it looks old and the front door is pretty important, but it's brass gold on this side and silver. So replace front door handle and deadbolt. Then I'm going to start counting windows. I'm going to go ahead and count this as 3 windows just in case. And we do have this border at the top. Because it's not quite the color and it's got a little bit of a dated feel, I'm just going to go ahead and put 100% repaint. 100% repaint. This window will be a Jenny call. It's behind the gate. So it is private, so may not need a blind, but I'm going to go ahead and count it for now. The tile is stone, but it's tile. Sorry, the counter is stone, but it's tile. So I think Jenny's going to want that to be replaced with granite. Also, the cabinets will need to be adjusted as necessary. We do have a space saver microwave, which is nice, and an upgraded light fixture. The cabinets do have a dated feel with the poles and this rope embellishment on it. Possibly remove this track lighting. It's a Jenny call. Also, not sure about these situations. Not difficult to remove at all. So this is nice. We have concrete that's really pretty looking already in place. We have a really beautiful patio overhang, but we do have grass. We do have the retaining wall with the sago palms, so there is greenery that could stay and it could have a nice finished look to the yard if the grass needs to be replaced with rock. So as you can see, that's the kitchen window right there. It's pretty private. It's behind this side gate here. And of course, we have that fireplace in the back. Oh, 0 lot lines. Okay. I'm going to count this door as needing a vertical lined, because of course it does. These cabinets may need to be adjusted or painted, I'm not sure. Okay. I mean, this is a nice touch. It's just a little eclectic. Fairly straightforward in here. So we always do a rekey. These don't match. I'll go ahead and put it on the list for now. Probably a lot of heat's going to come through here, so I'll count this as well. That is stone. It feels like stone tile. And then we have the laminate on top. Railing's a little bit worn. So maybe paint that. I'm gonna count the doorknobs inside. We don't want locking doorknobs. One. Okay. These are brown cabinets. A bit of trim, old style cabinet pulls. The light fixtures are showing a little bit of rust. Light fixtures. We do have the correct 2.5 inch forward blinds on these windows over here. So we don't have the valances though. I'm not even sure if these are designed to have them, honestly. I'll go ahead and count them just in case. Better than adding it later. So we have laminate in this room. Probably remove that trim. If it's repainted, that will be done at the same time. I'm not sure what's going on with this fan. Those little stickies, I think, maybe they can come off. As far as the laminate, it's not the best quality, but the condition's probably workable at this time. Oh, floor just creaked pretty crazy. Shower looks nice overall. Okay. Again, we have the correct blinds. This fan looks a little newer. I'm not seeing a valance on it, but again, I'm not sure if this one needs a valance. Sorry. Okay. Well, it is nice that we have ceiling fans with light kits in every room. I'm definitely going to go ahead and count these blinds. They look a tiny bit warped, but if we can keep them, that'd be great. So again, it is nice that we have the ceiling fans, even if they're a little bit older style. We'll get Jenny's take on whether they can stay.